How do we make light animation in Alight Motion? First go to plus, then create project, plus, media. Let's look for a particular object, or let's say a video that we want to change the light of the video. Alright, I'm still waiting for a video. You can take a picture if you not see any video. Okay, let's take this one. Alright, let's take this one and increase it like this. Okay, now I want to change the light of this picture. The same thing can be applied to video. So what you do now, touch the photo, then go to effects, add effect, then you type HUE, then touch standard. Then touch this mark here, mark it, slide it to one side, swipe, then go again, swipe, go again, swipe. Okay, let's check. Play. So you see how you animated the color. Okay, so that's how you do a color light animation in Alight Motion. Although there are more to this, you can do more light, but this is just one of the ways that you can do it. Okay.